if any person is going to ask me, right, shall we, sir, I want to meet you, like, do one thing. Please plan. Shall we go for lunch or dinner? Like, most of the times my meetings are always either lunch or dinner meetings only. What the reason for that is? What the reason?
While eating, we can listen more.
We can listen more, at
The
least 2 hours, 3 hours.
experience.
We are going to spend there. We will listen completely. We listen completely. Such a type of environment will be there. Just while talking for 10 minutes, 5 minutes. So what there? We can't understand them clearly. Most of the time. Because at the same time, the lunch, dinner is going to be completed. Then that activity also going to be completed parallelly. So real estate meetings, most of my real estate meetings, we require to meet to discuss something like, then okay, shall we meet for lunch in Taj? Shall we plan? Okay, so today marigold, lunch, marigold. So we will meet there at 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 3:30, and 4 o'clock sometimes we will come back. That environment matters a lot.